Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you how you can add iLit to your Savvis platform so the students can access it for grade testing and iLit 20. So the first thing you want to do is to go into your internet and go to clever.com. Once you're in Clever, you want to search for Savas, and it's going to say Savas EasyBridge SSO. It's going to be a white app with black and white writing. You just want to click on that and it'll open that into a separate window. Okay, once you're here, you're going to see a list of all your classes. All the classes are coded the same. So in order to see which class is what grade, if you just go to student roster, it'll list all the students in that grade. So the next thing you want to do is select your class and go to Manage Products. It's going to open up a separate window, and in your product's name, you're just going to type in iLit, and it's going to bring up a whole list of different iLit programs. If you're in elementary school, you're going to be choosing things that say Band E. Band M is for middle school, and Band H will be for high school. I will be sending you the coding for which level goes for your grade. So you select your grade level. You can only select one at a time and hit save. It will automatically add this to your teacher platform. Now you need to wait between half an hour and 40 minutes in order for the students to be able to access the materials. This is all you need to do from your teacher platform. Once you have the product added, you'll be able to go into Clever, locate your Savvis app, and you can click on the iLit class you just added, and it'll automatically open up the platform. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. If it's not loaded, you can always refresh and see if that helps it go faster. Once you're here, you're going to be able to check your students' test results and things using the management app. But for our purposes, the first thing you want to do is go into the iLit apps and click on where it says teacher. Then, after all your classes are added and you've waited the 30 to 40 minutes, you're going to see all the classes listed here. You're going to individually select each class. You're going to select the class, hit select, and it's going to open up that class's platform. Okay, and from here, this is where we had our training about assigning all the programs. We're going to leave the assignment mode on manual because we want to be able to assign the students those critical thinking and higher order writing questions. So leave the assignment mode to manual. You're going to leave everything else here the same. And then you're going to go to where it says organizer. And this is going to be where you can get the students' assignments. In order to be ready for using iLit after break, you're going to go all the way to the right, click where it says grade, go to beginning of the year, and then you're going to hit send. And this will send the assignment to all of your students. And that is how you add iLit and the grade test to your Savas. So from the student account, when they're looking at it, you're going to have the students sign in using their Clever badge. They are going to locate the Savas app. And if you're in Clever and you would like, you can just add this to your teacher page. They'll click Savvis. Gonna take a couple minutes for it to load. And then you'll see all the products that the students have access to that have been added from your account. Just scroll to the bottom, find where it says E&L iLit 20, click on the band, and it'll open up on the student page. Have students click iLit apps, click student, and this will access the program for them where they can start taking their reader survey and then start the grade test. That is how you add the programs to Savas and using Clever. If you have any questions, just let me know.